the Sports Card Kid, and we have a care package for you today.
And I'm the Sports Card Dad. And today, it's kind of a milestone, an epic day.
Wow.
We got a care package in the mail from another country. So think about it. From another country.
So,
And it is probably one of the most decorated packages I've ever seen.
Like, wow. And you put it like...
It comes from the Great Tornado from Japan. And it's got, look at all the stickers. Or the stamps.
You put a lot of effort.
By Airmail Par Avion. And it's got 10 stamps on it.
10.
Nippon, 82 Nippon. And then it's got that little sticker on the bottom. I have no idea what it says because definitely can't read that. And then he drew the symbol on the back. So, I'm going to let the Sports Card Kid open it up. I just figured I would show it off that way and get a good view of it without spilling it out. But I have already opened it up and there's a note and I'm going to let the Sports Card Kid read it. So we're going to set that here for now. Let him jump in. Switch spots. And hopefully you're able to read it.
Yeah. So, it says, I've been enjoying... Hi, the Sports Card Kid. I have been enjoying your channel for a while now. I'm 11 years old. I'm 11 years old kid from Maine, but now I live in Japan. You sure do know a lot about cards. It's very fun watching your videos. I saw the one where you opened Pokemon cards, so I thought I would send you a pack from Japan, and a pack of pro Japanese baseball cards, and some candy, just for fun. If you don't...
That says, if you don't mind.
Yeah. Mention my channel, The Great Tornado, to your subs if they are interested in my channel about life in Japan and collecting baseball cards. From The Great Tornado.
So everybody, you know the deal. Go check the channel out.
The Great Tornado.
He's a kid that just moved to Japan.
That's cool.
And go show him some love. Yeah. Pretty awesome that he got the... And I didn't even give him our address, but he got it and sent it. I'm thinking he got it from Beantown, maybe.
Maybe.
That's cool paper.
Yeah, it is. And look. So I'm just going to open this up.
Very sweet.
And see what happens. Huh.
That's neat.
No idea what it is.
Yeah, I have no idea
what...
what...
candy, but...
Whoa. I have no idea what it says.
Like a marshmallow.
This is lemon. This is lemon. Sour, maybe?
Look, spin around and show the Japanese side.
That's
this
so
is pretty
neat.
Cool.
That's cool.
I don't think we can ever open this stuff.
No,
definitely can't buy it here.
I'm gonna eat it.
No idea what it is.
That's so neat. Awesome.
So I guess that's a pack. Just show it when you pull it out. I think that's the pack of Japanese Pokemon cards.
Oh.
Cool.
Ooh, it's grape.
That is so neat.
I'm gonna eat this. I want to see what I think about it.
That's amazing to get something
Oh no,
from around
there's
the
the
world.
Pokemon cards.
Yeah.
I think.
That's
One of Yu-Gi-Oh maybe?
Maybe. Or a different pack.
Oh, this is like, I'm guessing these are like Pop Rocks here.
And then you got what?
What's this Pokemon?
This is
A pack of Japanese pro baseball cards.
cool.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Pokemon too.
Pokemon.
And then what's this thing? Is that like candy? Oh yeah, it's some kind of candy or something. Well, that's pretty cool.
So I'm just gonna open this first, see what it is.
Is that everything?
Yeah.
So thanks again, Great Tornado.
Yeah, that's cool.
Amazing. Neat to get something from around the world.
Yeah. Another. This is kind of cool. I like this.
Oh, there's a card.
I can't read that.
And it's in Japanese.
Yep. So I can't read it.
I don't know if it's good or not.
No, it's
He's
not.
from Maine.
Yeah.
That's
He lives
neat.
in Japan.
What an adventure.
And
That's
whatever
Oh,
that thing is.
I think it's like, I don't know what that is.
awesome. Well, that's a
No
Pokemon
idea.
ball.
Yeah, it is a Pokemon ball.
So you can open the Japanese baseball cards.
Looks like a jelly candy.
Pokemon cards, Dad. Pokemon.
Gold.
Huh.
Oh, that's neat.
A
You got
trainer.
Hollow trainer.
Something?
Read the name.
Yeah.
Something?
You don't know Pokemon that well.
Oh, I know who this is. His name is Frogger, I think. Someone?
I don't know.
Frogger.
That's cool. You got a holographic
A nice trainer.
Japanese card.
Hmm.
So that's cool.
And,
They're all familiar looking, but I don't know their names.
oh, this, no.
So we're going to go ahead and open the
Baseball cards.
Japanese baseball cards too.
Japanese baseball players.
It's so neat.
This is cool.
It's like gold paper. It's neat.
Baseball cards from another country. Another country. Oh, it's gonna be all in Japan, so I can't read the names. Oh,
Yeah, there's names on.
Naoe
Ishikawa.
Ishikawa. Ushi Adushi.
Sounds about right.
Nabario Matsuda. Like Hideki Matsu. It's the Giants. Sishu.
Or Seiyu.
Hatake.
Hatake.
Attack. The Tiger.
Forchiro Maki.
Maki.
Oh, you got
Sluggers.
Who's that guy?
Uh,
Ryodik
Ryosuke Kushi.
Ryusuke.
Kochi.
The Mayor.
Sorry. I didn't mean to say that.
Shota Omine.
Yushi. Or you.
Yuichi Kakushi.
Kikuchi.
Why is it all sushi?
They
Kakushi.
do eat a lot of sushi. And sushi
Kengo-
is Japanese.
Kingo.
Takeda.
Kengo
Takeda.
Takeda.
Takeda. This is.
Kazuki Yoshimi.
I think this is the dragons.
Yushi.
Yamato.
What's that one song?
Yamato.
And then Takahiro Araki.
Sounds familiar, actually. I don't know why, but
So that's pretty cool.
That's neat.
I'm gonna eat the
What is it?
candy.
Did you check to see if this was numbered or anything?
No.
Show the back.
Oops.
He's going to show the back of the insert.
Silver foil.
That's so cool.
That's cool. Apparently, he's a slugger.
You gonna try the candy on camera?
I'm gonna try the candy.
Yeah, it's already 8:26.
Don't take them too long.
Yeah.
This is hard
It's
to.
ever to load. It's that one.
See how they all taste. I guess you could do a taste testing video. I see those kind of videos all the
I'm
time.
sure it just tastes like candy. It's
Well,
just
no,
Pop
every
Rocks.
country has different desired taste.
Definitely Pop Rocks.
Yes, definitely Pop Rocks.
Alright, go on to the next candy.
Ow! Right on my tongue.
That's pretty good, huh?
Pretty good. So, grape. It's grape.
It's a well-rounded video. A care package video.
Oh, I think it's
Baseball
sour.
card pack opening video. And a taste testing video.
This may be
Pokemon.
sour.
Just taste it. You don't have to sit there and suck on it. Is it like a Jolly Rancher?
Yeah, just tastes like grape.
Get off the table. It's on the table. You're gonna get sticky.
This is mostly just kind of like our food. by a different name that I cannot read.
It's not food, it's candy.
Candy. I'm guessing this is a marshmallow? Some kind of marshmallow? Something?
Oh, it's good.
Oh, it's got chocolate in it. That's good.
It looks yummy. Let me have a try.
That's pretty good. That actually tastes pretty good.
Looks like there's some
Alright.
more.
You can save the rest for later.
Yeah.
They'll eat those. And the other two.
Yeah.
Why?
So,
Make sure you check out the
The
Great
Great
Tornadoes
Tornado.
channel. There's going to be a link below in the description, of course. Go show him some love. He's a kid. Without the kids, the hobby's going to die. So, I hear he's a Red Sox collector. So, go show him some love. Give him the sub. Check out his videos. You guys know the drill. Support the hobby. Support the community. What a super cool care package.
yeah, that's cool. And, so, if you like this video, please like. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. And
Make sure you check out his channel.
a peace out.